Reka ndabereka kano ka video tuje tuganira ku cyo nagomba ko tuvuganaho.
What am I going to do? I want to deliver your children. Lord, I want to deliver them. Father, you have given the key to Peter in order to now to deliver the children of God. Father, I need the same key of David to deliver the people that who are in
Prophet
Jeremiah of darkness. Father, I have no power on my own, oh Lord. We need the master key of Jesus. We need the master key, Lord. I need it. Your children are suffering. Your children are crying. Business are not moving forward. Father, I need it. Marriages and the rest. Father, some are looking for children. Some are looking for marriage. Some are now, they want to make it in life. Some want to go to abroad. Some their documents are tied down. They lock them down. Oh Lord. Father, I need the key of David. Lord. Release that to me. Release them. Release the keys of David to me. Release the key of David to me in order to now.
Jeremiah, my humble servant, I have heard your cry. I have given you the keys of the kingdom of heaven. It is the master key. With it, whatever you bind on earth will be bound in heaven. And whatever you lose on earth will be loose in heaven. Go and give it to my children. As they follow your instructions, they will succeed and testify.
Lord, I thank you for the grace you have not released unto me in order to set your people free, in order to deliver your people, your children that were in bondage. Lord, I can see the keys of David. It is written, whatever thing that belongs right in heaven, no man can open it. And whatever thing that be opened right in heaven, no man can be locked it up. Father, I have seen the Lord, the greatness of the Lord, and the grace of the Lord. I've seen the keys of David right in my hand. Oh my God. My God. God, you have done it. Now it is time for you to come over this program. Brethren, come and receive your key.
Yaba rero mundabira aya manyanga yaba bagabo yo mu rwego rwo hejuru. Amanyanga ico bita abanyanga abagenda bahamagara ba manyanga aba bagabo baba profeti ba fake ni ba manyanga n'abanyamanyanga bo mu rwego rwo hejuru. Aka Yeremiya reka nakitwe gato kuba mbuze Yeremiya n'abamiswe munini. Uyita ngo profeti Yeremiya. O profeti Yeremiya ni inshuti yakadasohoka na profete Bushiri dadi wa Joshua na Simoni n'abandi. Aya manyanga yaba twahire tuyavuga. Ikibazo bamwe mu abantu bafise turabere kukuri uko kuri hakukwemera bakomeza batera igere rya nyuma ngurabanka uraranga wewe nimba ubona icyo tukakubwira ari ukuri ukagoma uhekenye imisaya ngo turabanka bize bikubera umutego n'imbere y'Imana kandi ico bwi wari ukuri ukacanga n'imbere y'Imana kikubera umutego mu byumve cyangwa mureke mu bihakane cyangwa mu byemera. Urabona aka Yeremiya profeti Yeremiya n'umuntu bazige kuza kwikoresha ibitangaza bina Bushiri ubu baravanye bakora ibitangaza. Rero yagiye ngaho ku musozi ngagiye gusenga ngo ari kwasaba Imana imbabazi, ngo kwasaba Imana ngo imbaraga. Urumva rero ibi bintu hano ntabwo ari Imana, ibi ni ibintu abantu bakora muri computer.
Jeremiah,
iyi si Imana yavuze ariko raba yaciye afata kamera avuga ngo iri ni ijwi ry'Imana. Ibi ni ibintu bakora muri computer nimba abantu bazi amakomputa, abantu bazi gukoresha ama system muri computer bambwire ko atari byo.
Release them. Release the keys of David to me. Release the key of David to me in order to now.
Jeremiah.
ibi ni ibintu bakora muri computer ngo Imana ngo acibwa ngo
My
Yeremiya
humble servant.
ngo mukozi wanje ngo nganyubaha ngo numvise ngo gusenga
Heard your
kwawe.
cry.
Urabona ngere bagiye guhenda abantu ngo ni Imana
I have given you the keys of the kingdom
ibi ni ibintu bakoresha na computer jera je mugoma nzobigire ndabibereke. Mwe mugenda abantu bazi gukora amasenema babibereke
of
ibigatatu.
heaven. It is the master key.
Urabona
With it, whatever you
n'amanyanga
bind here on
y'ibintu
earth
byoroshye.
will be bound in heaven. And whatever you lose
ngo Imana ngo imuhaye ngo ubushobozi ngo ibyazokugara ngo mwisi ngo no mwijuru ngo bizoba byugawe. Ubwo buswa bwanyu
on earth will be
ubwo buswa
loose
bwanyu.
in heaven. Go
biyigira ibi ni computer ni mame
and give
mutabizi.
it to my children.
Ibi ni
As they
computer.
follow your instructions, they will succeed and
Rahaba umugabo muzima umwe bikwegana na babushiri mama mwajugiragiye ngo turababeshya ngo duhangaye ngabadahangagwa ibyo bijuju by'abantu eka nabitwa ibijuju kubera yamuvise ubwenge ni muba muhendwa uku raba ngo ibi ni bitangaza.
testify.
Iyi ni programu ya computer mana yanje abantu babaye ibijuju gute. Ibi birazwi mugenda munyegere umuntu bitwa Abeli niwe akunda gukora amasinema niwe aziki ibi bintu bibaho. Ibi Imana yirukije ipfunguruzo hengere yigira. Hengere yigira.
Lord, I thank you.
Umenga aba bagabo umenga bagize abantu ibijuju aha ku rushengeri we bamwe baragiye ngaho dati papa aha nibimvuze uzubona babandi batanguye kumaramara ngo reka kubacura imanza ngo numa ngo nuhore ngo bareke kubera abuze uko bagira umviriza mwabijuju mwabigwarimwe nimba mubona abantu bari ko bavuga ukuri va muri ubwo bujuju va muri ubwo bugwari mwemera ukuri bababwira ukuri hanyuma mwihane muhindukire. Ariko guba mudadaza gusa ngaho amubombranya manwa ngo nuhore ngo nuceceke kandi mubona bari ko babwira byo raba nk'ubu bujuju. Isi nshuti akadasoka yawa munyamanyanga bushiri bamwe muramuza gutegera abana babo ku kibuga cy'indege ngo abakozi b'Imana bakora ibi aya manyanga ya
For the grace you have not released
aya
unto me.
manyanga ya
In order
ngo imfunguruzo ngo Imana
it is
atibuye
written.
nibyo
Whatever
bahanze.
thing that been locked right in heaven, no man can open it. And whatever thing that be open,
Ngibi byose ngo nibipfunguruzo ngo Imana yororokije. Kugira ubujuju nk'ubu nopfuma teka gukizwaho ko nogira ubujuju nk'ubu kubera mfise ubujuju nk'ubu kwemera ibintu nk'ibi ntawe noba ntandukane n'umuntu ataramenya n'ikintu na kimwe.